Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you iOS 17 messages failed to send on iPhone and also iPhone not sending messages. Are you facing same problem? Lot of iPhone and iPad users has been reporting to when they're trying to send messages to my friends and family members, that time it's showing message failed to send on iPhone. In my iPhone too not sending messages to my friends and family members. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Solutions number 1 is reset network settings on your iPhone. For that, now first of all open the settings app. Here settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In the general, now again scroll down and second last option is transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on the reset. In reset, second option is reset network settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset network settings on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 2 is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. Now first of all again open the settings app. In the settings app, now scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now again scroll down and last options is shutdown. In the shutdown, slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. One time restart your iPhone after again try to send messages to your friends and family members. Solutions number 3 is select automatically time and date. For that, now first of all again open the settings app. In the settings app, now scroll down and tap on the general. In the general, scroll down and find out the date and time options. In date and time, set automatically options available. If you turn off now please make sure turn on set automatically. This one solution is the most important, so please make sure check on your iPhone settings. Solutions number 4 is the most important. Now the solutions is turn off and on MMS and iMessages on your iPhone. For that, now first of all again open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the messages. In messages, scroll down and find out the iMessages. If the iMessages is on, now please make sure turn off. Now again scroll down and MMS messaging options available. Now please make sure turn off. 10 to 20 second wait after again turn on the MMS messaging and also iMessages options on your iPhone settings. Solutions number 5 is turn on and off aeroplane mode on your iPhone and iPad. For that, now first of all again open the settings app. In the settings app, now first one option is aeroplane mode. If the aeroplane mode is off, now please make sure turn on aeroplane mode. 10 to 20 second wait after again turn off aeroplane mode on your iPhone and iPad and again try to send messages to your friends and family members. 100% working. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.